creation mode of the material MM01, enter packaging material I want to create. So I'm selecting B as my material type, and industry I can select, say, mechanical engineering. If I don't enter any name, just press enter key, then internally whatever is the free next number that will be assigned to this. Let me create this, entering, say, packaging 1. Whatever is the mandatory information required that need to be maintained here in this. Okay, so I'm just selecting the options which are available in this to create it. We can just press enter key wherever the mandatory fields are there. I can enter whatever options is available in that. Choosing value key. Just press enter key. PD I can select here, and some controller, MRP controller, and here I can enter EX in this. Just press enter key, and availability check I can select from it. Press enter, enter, enter. Showing unit is, say, pieces. Enter temperature condition. Okay, so I can select, I can enter each in this case. 1 and 1. You can see the material number is coming 565, which is getting created for my packaging material. Press enter key and then I can save it. But if I want to create a packaging material with my own material number, say if I enter P565 as my packaging material, okay, and I can select remaining things same only, just press enter key. So it is allowing me. But if I enter, say, 565P for the packaging material, press enter key, then I'm getting the error message that that particular number range series is not specified, that I'm entering a numeric value before and then the alphabetic value for the packaging material. Whereas when I tried to create a material with the name, say, P565, it is allowing me. If I prefix a numeric value before, then it is not allowing me, because in the configuration we have maintained the series for the external number. Okay, so when I press enter key, I am getting number range not defined for it. Let me open another session. OMS2, press enter key, and my material type I can specify as PRP, which we are trying. Just double click on it. So here this external number assignment without check is there, which is at present unchecked. If I press F1 key here in this field, if I check this indicator for the external number assignment without validation, means that system will not check that the number which we are giving as an external number exists in the number range or not. Okay, so if I click on this number range and let's go to the configuration for this number range, then without specifying the project, I am selecting and define the attribute for the material type. Just double click on it. Number range, we have to select the number range, define number range for this, and click on edit or change. Here, when I'm trying to create a number range prefixed with the alphabetic value, it is allowing me, whereas when I prefix, because here the external number range is allowed in this case, but when I prefix numeric value, then it is giving me the error message. Either you maintain that same number range pattern here in this, or go back, close this. So if I check this, then it will not check in the number range that entry exists or not. So I'm selecting this indicator which was previously unchecked. Let's save it and let me continue with this. And we will try to create the material again with that same number which I'm trying to create. So MM01 enter, and I was trying the number prefixed with the numeric value and then the alphabetic value, which is this. Press enter key. So now it is opening in the creation mode. Previously it was giving me the error message. Let's see if I continue with this and try to create the material. Say I'm entering as packaging 2 and I'm just entering the same details in the remaining thing. This is how you can specify that whether you want external number range to be checked or maintained in the um, configuration, or you want to keep it open so that whatever number range you want to use, that you can give here in this. Okay, I'm just entering the mandatory fields which are required in each views. Okay, so otherwise you can, if it is a warning, I can skip it, but if it is mandatory, I have to enter some values in that. Let's enter key, and I'm just maintaining 1 is equal to 1. Okay, enter. Profit center is optional. Per unit price for this, enter, and then save it. MM60, enter. And here, let me move this. And just now we have created two materials for the packaging. So my material type was BERP. Okay, click on execute. We have created these two packaging materials. This was created with the pre-internal number which was available, and this I have created using the external number for it, okay, which was prefixed with the numeric value. There is one more transaction which I can use, which is MMNR, enter. It is for the material master number range. If I click on display, it will give me the same list which we have seen. And here, if I click on this overview, I can see that under which group my material type is coming. So it is my packaging material, which is VERP packaging, and it's coming under the group 1. Okay, and here we can see that internal number range which is given is 1 to this, and so far 570 numbers are used, and for the external number range it is given as A to this, and this is the external number range indicator checked for it.